hiccups, sweetheart? Hmm? You've got the hiccups.
Bobby.
How did you get the hiccups? Look at you, sweetheart. Oh, you're very pretty.
It's my ballet pose.
It's like, yeah, I'm just so cool. You got the hiccups. Aren't you adorable? Hick, hick, hick.